What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, I've got a Morgan unboxing video today. Got some mail. Just finished showing off some German half marks, which I've never had before in my possession. And these are the Morgans I received today. Got a really good deal on all these. I don't know what the seller was thinking, or maybe they got them really cheap, but I got every single one of these, I think, for around 45 bucks each, which is pretty cheap for Morgans. I like to try and stay around 45 to 65 at the most when buying from my coin shop, you know, going through their Morgans. But I thought these were like really nice quality, at least from the photos. So they all came from the same seller. Just got them today. They actually came in a little bit early. I know, guys, I don't have gloves on, but I'll just be touching these on the edges. And we're going to go over each coin here. So here is let me zoom in a little bit. So here's an 1884. Definitely has some sort of like eraser, some kind of mark here in the bottom left. So it looks like someone took an eraser. So that's unfortunate. This is not one I would send in to get graded, but overall, very nice BU details looking coin. Nice full feathers on the reverse. And this is an O mint mark. And with these O mint marks, we always want to check. So it's got a little slant to it. We also want to see if it's ever a micro O, and if there's ever like an O over S. So if there's sometimes you can look under a loop, you can see if there's little stuff in there. Let me grab the loop. Let me see if I can simulate that and show you guys what I mean. So I'll try my best with the camera here. But what you're always looking for is to look inside the O and just see if it's like over, like if there's a little S in there, or if there's something just goofy going on the O. This O is straight up, so it's a normal estimate mark. The other thing you want to look for too is if there's any die breaks in between the letters of the United States of America, and then obviously any dings. So overall, very nice looking coin. Even with this little marks here, someone's gonna like this coin. I'm not gonna, ask big money for it. Probably ask like 65 bucks, and it's a nice album filler for sure. I believe it's another 1884. And this one is really nice. So this looks like something that would be in a bag. So again, back in the day, they didn't put these in rolls. They put them in bags. So when you have these sellers selling original bank rolls of Morgans, that's a lie, because these are all stored in bags back in the day. They were probably only put in rolls for collectors. That's my guess. All right, so we're going to check out the O for New Orleans mint mark on this one. See if we got any little something in there. Nope, that's a normal New Orleans mint mark. Nothing fancy. So if you saw like if it would be like a little like wing or something inside, or if the O is filled with like, it looks like it's over something else, that's an O over S. Those are really rare. All right, check these guys out. So always love picking up the Morgans. They sell really well, and I think with the Morgans coming out for 2023 with the piece dollars, the reverse proof sets, these are going to continually go up. So here we have a S for San Francisco Mint, nice full breast feathers on the eagle, very nice original cartwheel, and it's, again, here's the cartwheel, so you get the cartwheel effect. And this is an 1881. Very nice coin. So this is easily a mint state 63 if you sent it in to get graded. So I think since I only got 40 something bucks in this, asking 70 bucks, this will sell really quick. Very nice coin. Happy with that one. I really like the 1881 and 1880S mint marks. You can get a really nice looking coin for cheap just because they made a ton of these, and for whatever reason the San Francisco Mint just did a really nice job stamping these bad boys out. So this does not have a mint mark. So this is definitely a Philadelphia mint. And let's see, the year is 1886. So again, this is another common date Morgan silver dollar. Again, I would say this is more of a mint state 63 if you were to send it and get graded. So again, since I only have 45 bucks in this coin, I'm happy to get 65 for it, and the new owner would be happy with this very nice, beautiful, raw looking coin to add to their collection. I always like too when they have like some of the tonnage around that, you know, that just means it hasn't been messed with in quite some time. So these all kind of have a similar tonnage. So I'm assuming they all came from a similar collection. So it's normal to sometimes have dirty rims. All right, this last piece is, look, maybe another 1886. Yep. So what do we have here? Two 1886s. Yeah, this one's a little bit nicer. Check out the fields. Yeah, really, really nice looking coin. So let's get that side by side with this other 86. So I'd be happy with either one of these. Like if I was in a coin shop and someone offered these to me for 65 bucks, I'd be all over it. So I would say this one's a little bit nicer. So maybe this one is more of a mint state 62. This is definitely a 63, 64 all day long. So this one I'll probably be asking about 75 for. But always appreciate to have these common date, you know, even common date Morgans listed in my shop, so I'll get these up and running. And then I have another 20 Morgans coming in, hopefully tomorrow or before the new year. Again, I had so many of these, but I ended up selling a lot of them on eBay. Actually, like one buyer bought like almost over $2,000 worth of Morgans. So it's always nice to have very nice BU coins not sitting in slabs, because then as soon as you get in a slab, like you're kind of paying for the slab. So I also like to share experience, like if someone wants to collect these raw, get a bunch of nice ones together and then submit them all to get graded to actually add to like a registry set or to make it more of investment quality. I like to share the hobby that way with others as well. So these will be nice additions to the shop. I'll have the description in my eBay shop, or at least a link to my eBay store, so you guys can check them out. These will sell fast. Anytime you can get quality Morgans like this mailed to your house, you don't have to go drive into your LCS, be disappointed, and try and find these. I'll get these out to you right away. And I appreciate you guys watching. And stay tuned for later this week, possibly this weekend. We'll see how the mail goes. The weather all of a sudden is like super nice here. Like it's 57. It was -9 3 days ago. So it's nice to, you know, have some stuff show up in the mail, and it's not basically, and it's showing up early, right? So we are at least staffed really well out here. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll check you out on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.